Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll guide you through the quick and easy setup of your new mesh Wi-Fi system. Whether you're new to tech or an experienced user, this step-by-step tutorial ensures you'll have your Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro up and running smoothly in no time, providing fast and reliable internet throughout your home. Let's get started. Let's start by unboxing the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro. Inside, you'll find the main router unit, any additional points, power adapters, and an Ethernet cable. Make sure you have everything ready before starting the setup. Next, connect the main router unit to a power source using the included power adapter. Make sure it's securely plugged in. Once powered, you'll need to wait a few moments for the LED light to start pulsing. This light signals that the router is now ready for the setup process to begin. Now, take out your smartphone and download the Google Home app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. Simply visit the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Google Home, and install it. This app will guide you through the entire setup process for your Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro. After the app is installed, open it and sign in using your existing Google account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create a new account by following the on-screen prompts. Having a Google account is essential for managing your Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro and accessing all of its features. In the Google Home app, tap the icon located in the top left corner to start adding a new device. From the menu, select Setup Device and then choose New Devices. Follow the simple on-screen instructions, and the app will automatically search for and detect your Nest Wi-Fi Pro for setup. Once the app detects your Nest Wi-Fi Pro router, it's time to connect it to your modem. Take the included Ethernet cable and connect one end to your modem and the other to the WAN port on the back of the router. The Google Home app will then guide you step by step through setting up your Wi-Fi network name and password, making the process quick and easy. If you have additional Wi-Fi points, this is the perfect time to add them to your network. The app will prompt you to place these points in various rooms around your home to maximize signal strength and coverage. Once plugged in, the app will automatically detect and connect each point to your existing network, ensuring seamless Wi-Fi throughout your space. After all your devices are connected, the app will finalize the setup process. You'll then have the option to test your network to ensure everything is functioning properly. Additionally, the app allows you to customize settings such as enabling guest Wi-Fi, setting up parental controls, and managing your network for optimal performance.